Hey guys, it's a bit raining day, but I'm going to tell you about my morning routine. So before we start this video, make sure to like and subscribe. So guys, let's start. So I'm going, as you can see here, I'm going to feed my birds. Now over here. Look at them, they're so cute. I hope you can see them quite. I have a white one and a green one. Not really only a white one, but I do have a green one too. The green one is a boy and the white one is girl. So I'm going to start feeding them, and yeah, you can see them from the top. They like to be hidden there sometimes. Alright, so I'm gonna get the food. So here's the food. Oh wait a minute. First of all, I have to unlock the cage to give them the food. So okay, I unlock the cage, and look, why she's playing peekaboo. She loves playing peekaboo. So the white one, her name is Whitey, and the green one's name is Greeny. They're like similar names. So now I'm gonna open up the food, and my dad is opening the cage for the food bowl to come out. Alright, in the meantime, I open up the food. Now this is how their food looks like. They still keep some leftover food for them, just in case if they need it. Yep, there are a lot of food in there. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna hand feed them. Just gonna go ahead, put some in the house, the pot. Alright, I'm gonna put the pot over here for now. Alright, so I'm just gonna go ahead and pour some, okay, they're getting out. They're like raining food. Okay, they finally got out. Now I'm gonna go ahead and slowly pour the foods in there. And in the meantime, you guys can see my birds. Alright, pour the food. And there are my birds. They're so cute, right? The white one has blended blue on it, if you see it closer. And the green one has very pretty feathers too. So I can go ahead and just like hand feed them. Like, alright, here we go. Come on. Okay, she really normally doesn't notice, but she might notice the food. Okay, there you go. She's noticing the food. Oh, that was so cute, right? Oh, okay. Come on, Whitey. Oh, I think she's telling wait. Did you see that? She's playing peekaboo. Come on. Wow. Come on. Okay. Come on. I have food. Look, watch this trick. She jumped down the stairs. And jump on the log. Oh, wait a minute. Jump on the log. And then again, jump on the stairs. Come on. I know she can do a lot of cool tricks. So guys, I hope you like this video, and make sure to like as well as subscribe, and yeah. So I hope you like this video so much, and yeah, so bye.